My name is Willington Silva. I am from Colombia. My purpose to study PET is because I need the certificate for my work in Colombia, especially. The course is useful in real life, yeah, outside the classroom. Sometimes it's difficult to understand Australian people, but Greenwich School offer the different skills for learn good English and useful English. Thanks to PET course, because was a first step for improve my English and continue in the next course.